Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do number 1436, destination city. This is an easy level problem in LeetCode, and we're going to solve it in JavaScript. So you're given the array paths where paths of index of I equals city AI, comma, city BI, means there exists a direct path going from city AI to city BI. Return the destination city, that is the city without any path outgoing to another city. So for example, we have this paths array, and it has all these subarrays in it. So the first subarray is London and New York. So this means that the flight is leaving from London and is arriving to New York, and this one's going to New York from Lima, and this is Lima the same Sao Paulo. So the output is Sao Paulo because this is the only one that doesn't have a departing city. It's only arriving, and so that's what we return. And it's just how we're going to solve this is just we gotta find where the second index is only in that second index and not in the first one, because New York is in the first one as well and Lima is in the first one as well. So this is one of those problems where the hardest part is probably trying to figure out what the question is even asking. So how we're going to solve this is that we're going to use sets to keep track of as a data structure, because it's helps you keep track of unique values. So we're going to create a set for the departure cities. And after that, we're going to loop through the path. We're going to loop through this path, and for the first index of each subarray, we're going to add that to the set departure set. So now our set is completed with all the parts in the first index, and now we got to compare it to the second index of each subarray. So how we're going to do that is that we're going to loop through the paths again and create a condition to check if each subarray has the second index value. And if it doesn't, it means it is unique. So we return that subarray second index value. Okay, so let's put in the code. So first we create the set, let departure equals new set. And that's the syntax for creating a new set. And now we're going to loop through it. So for path of paths, inside of this loop, we're going to add the information inside of departure. So departure dot add path index of 0. Now we're going to loop through it again for path of paths. We're going to check the condition. So if it's not in it, departure dot has path of the second index, we return path of that index. Let's see. Nice. Great, we got it. So the time complexity, because we're creating a loop, we're doing 2 loops, but they're not nested, so it's going to be O of n. And the space complexity, since we're creating a set that's proportional to how long this path is going to be O of n. So that's how you solve This problem. Thank you.